I can't do this anymore.
Gas.
Okay, that's enough.
Fuck. You are lying. It was the first one was Pepsi. Why would we lie? I don't fucking know.
Deeply miss your love when I'm far away.
Welcome one, welcome all back to Capavlog Going South. On this second day, we wake up to a cloudy morning in Kiama. Our agenda is to first visit the famous Kiama Blowhole, have some food, then pack our things and get to the bus stop.
It's raining so much now. Boy. Look at this. Guys, I want you guys to know how much pain I'm putting myself through to get this footage. Oh my god. Please dislike the video. Look at this.
The name Kiama is from an indigenous Australian word which translates to where the sea makes a noise. The blowhole, cast in basalt by lava flow, is the town's main attraction and the biggest in the world. Due to the weather, sadly, we didn't see too much spray, although it was totally empty and the rain gave it a dramatic look.
And of course, right after we visit the blowhole, it stops raining. Classic. This is a certified going south moment. Look at this guy.
You are prey. I am the predator.
Alright guys, this is the drink one shot of milk challenge. I am going to drink this milk and I'm lactose intolerant, so
Come challenge.
So that's it, guys. Thanks for watching.
Yeah.
That's the end of the drink one shot of milk challenge. Make sure to dislike and subscribe. You didn't even do it in one. You didn't even do
I
it.
looked into it and I realized it was some luck.
Make sure to dislike for more drinking small amounts of liquid challenges. This is typical hotel behavior.
Having packed our stuff, on the way to the train station we decided to get some fish and chips from this place called Silica. We didn't know it yet, but this place was goated.
So our plan is to get the food and take it to the train station because we'll be waiting for the bus there anyway. Oh, we've arrived at the station just in time too. We were rushing towards the train station and like just as we came it started raining super heavily again, so bullet dodged on that one. Now we're enjoying our fish and chips.
It's actually a good ratio of fish for once.
Whoa, look, whoa, what? Three?
You never see
Four?
that in a, 4. You never
my.
see that in another fish and chip shop. This is the first time.
Oh my goodness. This shop is great. If you ever go to Kiama, go to Silica Fish and Chips shop at the at Kiama. It's so good. The people were nice. Like they saw it was raining. We couldn't sit inside because it was a restaurant. And then they got like chairs for us, but we had to go. But yeah, it was really nice and the food is good as well.
Thoroughly impressed with the food, we took the train to our bus stop. At that point, I was a little worried about missing the bus, but as it turned out, we had way more time than we thought, and so the shenanigans begun.
And here is where we will wait. Ta-da! The rest of the lyrics. So very free. I can't do this anymore.
Eventually, we get on the bus and go on our way to Moruya, although not without a few stops along the way.
So it turns out there was a lunch stop right after when we got on, so now we've got another like 40 minutes with nothing to do. I am looking to get some slippers though, so hey, 10 tops, nothing over $10. I swear, if I find something that's $11, ooh, havoc will be wrecked.
Come on, roll with me till the sun goes down. Texas sun, okay. Texas sun.
It's not even 4:20 by the way, it's like 2:30.
Amarillo. Well, come on, roll with me till the sun dips low. Texas sun. Texas sun.
Hey guys, afternoon tea at Bateman's Bay. This is walk here, so just walking along. We won't be staying long, like 30 minutes or something. But yeah.
Now, we didn't stay there long, but Bateman's Bay is renowned for its beaches and sea life, in particular the oysters from the Clyde River, which are considered to be among Australia's best.
Texas sun. Texas sun. Texas sun.
Okay guys, we've just arrived at Moruya, and look, the Woolies is right there. See, no giant uphill required. I'm already liking this better than Kiama.
After finally arriving at Moruya, we got some supplies for dinner and headed out to our accommodation, which was the best one on this trip if you ask me.
You stayed up in Pali. I lived in Crowley Town. Needed me to get you from your mother's house. Baby, I'll be there, just put on your lavender, perfume in a nice dress. Girl, I hope you like this.
Well guys, we've arrived at the house. Each of us will have our own bedroom, that will be great. Alex has been busting the whole time we were walking here. So now he's having a bowel movement and it's gone pretty dark. Oh, we're all pretty tired after the walk to the bus station, the walk yesterday, the 4-hour bus ride, and then the walk here.
In the backseat we did.
Yay! Awesome!
I know there's like a trick to winning tic-tac-toe, but I don't know how it works. I think, yeah, you're guaranteed a win. I can only stop you.
We took a small break after our long journey, then got started on our dinner, which was Aiden's specialty. Freshly cooked beef burgers with cheese, toasted buns, and caramelized onions. Until we realized that Alex doesn't know how to cook. I mean, seriously, how can this guy go 18 years and he doesn't even know how to make a beef patty?
I'm trying my best, buddy. To be fair, yeah, he is trying his best. I respect. Oh, I'm crying. Oh.
And everything else went about as well as you'd expect. Turns out we barely knew how to use the induction cooktop, and Alex kept throwing the patties because he didn't want to get splashed by oil. Like, you know that throwing it is what's causing the splashing, right? Like, am I going crazy or what? So, after we made the burgers, they actually looked pretty good. And we were so hungry we scoffed them down without even checking how rare they were on the inside. I'm sure cooking like this won't have any consequences for us in the future.
Honestly, it's not bad, bro. It's like probably 6 or 7. The caramelized onions are good, bro.
She got the red hair on, gold hanging from her ear, melanin lady. She got a jig on strong.
Like the rest of it.
So good to see you.
The bottom of it. No. Yeah, that's actually
Somebody.
Hey guys, so last night I made a statement about solo and lift, and suddenly these guys are very doubtful of me. So today I'm doing a challenge to prove that you all suck. Shut the fuck up. Alright, give me my drink. This is the cheap, not cheap, it's more sugary, the more sugary cola kind. This is the Pepsi.
your meal, sir.
Amazing. The second meal I've been having, I guess.
You love partying.
I think this is the Coke Classic.
Alright, what do you think, Alex?
I think this is the no sugar one, although it might be a mix between the Coke and the no sugar. The first one's definitely Pepsi. The second one I think might be normal Coke, and I think this one is different because it doesn't have the exact taste that I remember no sugar having. So I think it's a mix for you guys to try to dupe me.
Well, I'm glad you enjoyed your tasting menu of 3 conspicuous black liquids. I will now take all these away.
I'm confident about the last two, but I'm very confident about my first answer.
Alright.
To reveal the first one. To reveal the second.
Wait, surely that's not right. Surely that's not right. Wait. No, first one was surely Pepsi.
God, why? God.
Wait, no. The last two I'm not sure about, but the first one I'm 100% sure was Pepsi.
Now we do it again in a different order and see if he can identify.
Okay, we'll give you a second chance.
I was blinded.
I think this is the Coke no sugar.
Now my heart has been turned to rising.
Coke Classic. This one's the Pepsi.
Ignorance, my mouth full of curses.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Alright. So, you know what's interesting?
What?
You got them all wrong the first time, right?
Yeah.
I'm going to be 100% honest when I say you got them all wrong. But this time, you got 2 right. The first time.
The first one was most definitely Pepsi.
No.
You cannot tell me otherwise.
No.
Literally, Pepsi has this really distinctive taste.
No,
away
that
from
was Coke. It was literally Coke no sugar.
no.
I swear to God.
I drink Coke No Zero on a daily basis. My mom makes me.
Coke no Zero.
Then you're wrong and a fool too.
Suwon was there, okay? He saw me pour it. I poured no sugar and I gave it to you. And you said it was no sugar. You said it was Pepsi. No, but the thing is, you genuinely got
No,
the wrong
but
first
my
time.
taste buds do not.
No.
They do not lie.
You've proven 1 point, right? You can tell the difference, but you clearly don't notice them the first time.
No,
around anyway.
I'm not joking.
Alex, you got it right the second time.
You got it right the second
Why?
time by some miracle. I don't know what happened this
Miracle? You are lying! It was the first one was Pepsi!
Why would we lie?
Because you're trying to. I don't fucking know! I just know it's Pepsi! It is most definitely Pepsi! You cannot tell me otherwise!
Then why were we honest the second time?
I don't fucking know! I'm just telling you, it is Pepsi! You cannot tell me otherwise!
We are doing that literally right now.
Alex, you know, like the second time you got it right, so that would prove that you know the difference.
Bitch, I'll nail you! That's the difference between this and mountain.
After our long day of travel and cooking shenanigans, it was time to wind down, play some games, and head to bed for the adventure ahead. And oh boy, there was an adventure ahead of us on the next day of...
Hair pitch black like the midnight sky. Eyes like the jungle, you're something wild.
Closing remarks, Mr. Alex.
I am going to die of food poisoning tonight.
Yes, we did it! We did it, Super!